Welcome to Olivia's garden, where the beauty of nature meets the art of gardening. In this video, I'll share everything you need to grow the beautiful At Last rose in your own garden oasis. Subscribe to see more eye-catching plants like this one. The At Last rose is a stunning shrub rose with many clusters of peachy apricot blooms. Its flowers have a very sweet fragrance, making it one of my favorites. I love visiting my garden midday and picking a rose to enjoy its sweet scent indoors. In terms of hardiness, the At Last rose thrives in cold areas like USDA Zone 5, where I live, all the way to the heat of Zone 9, making it adaptable to a wide range of climates. When planting, the At Last rose prefers well-draining soil and can tolerate both slightly acidic and slightly alkaline conditions. Just like the Italian ice and double knockout roses featured in my other videos, the At Last rose blooms continuously from late spring all the way to autumn frost, providing me with a long-lasting display of gorgeous flowers for 5 to 6 months. The At Last rose typically reaches a height and width of 3 feet, making it suitable for both borders and containers. This rose, like most roses, thrives in full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for healthy growth and abundant blooming. Pruning once a year in early spring helps maintain its shape and encourage new growth. You can shape the shrub by pruning off at least 1/3 its total height just when the new buds begin to emerge on the stems. Make your cut just above a thick, healthy bud, as this technique produces the best growth. It can be fertilized in the spring with a granular rose fertilizer. During the blooming season, you can deadhead it if you like, but this is not required for continuous bloom. Just like the double knockout rose and the Italian ice rose in my other videos, the At Last rose has excellent disease resistance, making it a low-maintenance choice, which I love. We don't need to fuss with spraying it like traditional roses. The only thing I don't like about this rose is that the petals are fairly fragile and fall off pretty easily when I pick one, compared to the Italian ice and double knockout rose. But the beautiful peach color, large bloom size, and amazing fragrance do make up for it. I hope you enjoy the At Last rose as much as I do. For more gorgeous plant ideas, check out Olivia's garden channel, and subscribe if you'd like to grow eye-catching plants like this one in your own garden oasis. Thank you and happy gardening.